Personally, I am an enthusiast of various interesting and potential blockchain projects. Well, I search and look for unique and strong cryptocurrencies for my personal investments. And while doing so, I have found this great platform, which is Digital Bureaucracy, who are actually aiming to revolutionize the field of bureaucracy by combining artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Well, documents can be transferred, and the management of the documents are also being done with the digital bureaucracy efficiently, while being controlled with the blockchain technology. The document transfer and management, as well as creating cryptocurrencies for all bureaucracy transactions and everyone. Digital Bureaucracy is such a revolutionary project developed for bureaucracy and document management, transfer, and security. Well, I have found out that the DBC is structured for all paper transactions to take place on the blockchain technology, and this is such a project structure that saves the paper and thus saves the environment and the green of the society. At first, Digital Bureaucracy got me by surprise because it was actually created with many specific fields of their work, and it actually tries to create a platform for secure document management, transfer, and tokenization. The entire project is based on local digital DBC token foundations and accurate value and real unique solutions that can be provided by blockchain-based assets. Well, the DBC token will power the DBC tool software, operate as the main reference currency at Iris X exchange, where only DBC-based personal, the DeFi, NFT, startup, and corporate tokens will be traded. Now I know that DBC has the potential for cooperation with state governments and local governments and institutions and corporate firms, which have become the cornerstones of bureaucracy, are among the keys to the wide user of blockchain. Well, DBC wants to achieve all the goals with the steady and conscious growth of this project in accordance with the process made in the project within 1 year. Well, I have personally found out some amazing prospects of this great project, Digital Bureaucracy, and actually I would like to talk about their Digital Bureaucracy development prospects. Well, their first prospect would be in the property or the real estate industry. And how is that? Well, the bureaucratic complexities related to the real estate transactions and dealings are very much complex with the traditional system, and the digital bureaucracy can have a huge positive impact while making all those complexities solved faster and securely through the encryption technology of the blockchain a blockchain network. Well, the DBC is actually aiming to that properties and real estate sector for getting a huge development prospect from this sector. And then there is another prospectus sector for the potential sector for DBC to be amplified, which is identity of the various types. For example, there are various documents and complexities, complex paperwork related to the different kinds of identities for the people, like their passports, driving license, and there are transportation pass, and there are residential address changes and various other identities that can be easily done by the digital bureaucracy platform. Well, then there is another development prospect for the digital bureaucracy platform is schools and education. And how is that? Well, there are very complex paperwork related with the students and teachers, and there are students tracking information and examining students' papers, and those kinds of various complex paperwork are related with education sector. And the digital bureaucracy can easily make these complexities and barriers overcome by the artificial intelligence and automated systems. Well, then there is taxes. Tax has various complex paperwork and bureaucratic complexities related with this, and digital bureaucracy can also come in handy with this sector very much. And then there is health and hospitals, where the patients and doctors need to deal with various paperwork and prescriptions and various complex documents that they have to deal with every day. That amount cannot be imagined, right? So digital bureaucracy can also have a huge development prospect on this sector, and they can make the doctors and patients' daily life much easier through an automated system using the blockchain technology and those encryptions. And of course, there are finance and businesses sector, where the digital bureaucracy can have huge impact for the development, because various corporations and companies use paperwork and various documents they transfer and exchange using various different unsafe and unsecure platforms, while they can do it with the digital bureaucracy very securely with 100% safety and confidentiality. Well, finally, there are customs where the digital bureaucracy can be implemented, and those customs must use the very secure system, where different passengers and different countries people are coming and going every day. So there are huge complex paperwork and bureaucratic problems faced by the custom officers every day. So the digital bureaucracy can also have a great place on the customs offices, with great ease of use for all the customs officers. Well, the DBC token has been created to be used in the digital bureaucracy infrastructure and to become the currency of the future. The DBC token is the cryptocurrency that will be used in the bureaucratic transactions around the whole world very soon.